Hello students, now we are at the lesson number 4 and the name is the rat trap. Let's discuss a little about the writer and the author and the narrator, whatever he or she is. Here we are with the Salma Lagerlöf, 1858 to 1940. Was a Swedish writer whose stories have been translated into many languages. स्वीडन के राइटर थे भाई साहब की स्टोरीज बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में, या वेदर मेल और फीमेल, अभी ये बात क्लियर नहीं हुई क्योंकि नाम से जैसे सलमा लेजरलॉफ, वी कांट इमेजिन. स्टोरीज हैव बीन ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू मैनी लैंग्वेजेस. अ यूनिवर्सल थीम रन्स थ्रू ऑल ऑफ देम. सारी कहानियों में यूनिवर्सल थीम होती है. A belief that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. There is a belief in him about writing his story that the goodness of a person can be found out, can be taken out by the understanding and by giving him or her so much of love. This story is set amidst the mines of Sweden. The story has been designed, the story has been set in the middle of the Sweden mines. Rich in iron ore, the mines are very much rich, means there is so much of iron and ore. Iron ore अगर हिंदी में समझाएं बच्चों तो होता है लोह अयस्क. लोह अयस्क कहते हैं इसको. Which figure large in the history and legends of that country. Which figures लार्ज इन द हिस्ट्री, और ये जगह जिसका हिस्ट्री में बहुत बड़ा नाम है, एंड लीजेंड्स ऑफ दैट कंट्री, और उस देश के लीजेंड में इनका नाम आता है. द स्टोरी इज टोल्ड समवॉट इन द मैनर ऑफ अ फेरी टेल. कहानी कुछ इस तरह से आपको बताई जाती है. द स्टोरी हैज़ बिन डिस्क्राइब टू यू लाइक द फेरी टेल, मीन्स स्टोरी ऑफ परी, जिसको आप हिंदी में कहते हैं. इस तरह से परियों की कहानियों की तरह कहानी आगे बढ़ती है. लेट्स बिगिन विद द स्टोरी. देयर आर सर्टेन मीनिंग्स, वी विल हैव इट लेटर ऑन. दीज आर फ्रेजेस एक्चुअली, विल बी यूज्ड समवेयर इन द लेसन. Once upon a time there was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. Rat से पता चल गया होगा, rat, mouse, and rat traps. There is a kind of net. There is a kind of net in which we can trap them. So एक इंसान था जो इधर उधर घूमता था, small rat traps बेचता था, and prepared these rat traps with the wire. You might have seen, and you might have some of them at your home to catch the mouse, to catch the rats who are making some damages in your home. He made them himself at odd moments. Odd moments means when he was having some spare or free time. He made them himself. He was the maker of these all the rat traps himself. In odd hours he was making them. Odd hours means, odd moments means when he was having some spare time. From the material he got by begging in the stores or at the big farms. And he was making all this by getting alms. Alms मतलब हिंदी में मैं बोलूँ तो भिक्षा, और भीख को कह सकते हैं. So from the material he got by begging, he was preparing all these rat traps from the material which he was getting in the begging in the stores or at the big farms. Okay, stores से मिल जाता, या बड़े बड़े जो खेतीहारी क्षेत्र थे वहाँ से उसको मिल जाता. तो he was preparing all this by the material of begging. But even so, the business was not specially profitable. इसके बावजूद भी ये उसका जो business था, it was not so profitable. There was not any kind of benefit he was getting. So he had to resort. Resort means to be dependent on. किसी चीज पर आश्रित रहना. So he had to resort to both begging and petty thieveries. तो इसलिए बेचारे को दोनों चीजों पर ही आश्रित रहना पड़ता था. भाई थोड़ी सी begging करके ये नेट बना लेता था. And petty thieveries. Petty means small. Thief से बना है. Thieveries या thievery means चोरी. तो छोटी मोटी चोरी भी उसको करनी पड़ती थी. He was dependent on both begging and petty thieveries. To keep body and soul together. To keep body and soul together means to keep his life moving, to be alive. Even so, his clothes were in rags. Even so, his clothes were in rags means his clothes were not in a single piece. They were torn from here and there. रैग का मतलब चिथड़े होता है, ये आप समझ सकते हैं. His cheeks were sunken, शंक डूब जाना, अंदर की तरफ पिचक जाना. देखो जैसे होता है पिचका हुआ. His cheeks were sunken means his cheeks were not well built. His cheeks were not healthy. They were sunken inside, and hunger gleamed in his eyes, and you can see the hunger in his eyes. Gleam means shining, glowing. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous. Sad आप जानते हैं, monotonous होता है बेटा नीरस. Means there is no interest in such thing. So his life was very much sad and monotonous, tasteless, colorless, enjoyless. Life can appear to such a vagabond. Vagabond, the people who are wandering here and there, you can say them in Hindi, आवारा, गडरिया, या जो इधर उधर घूमते हैं. ठीक है, we call them vagabond, roadside ruffian. ठीक है, fraud वगैरह वगैरह. Appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road, जो रोड के साथ साथ इधर उधर चलता रहता है. Plods means walking. Left to his own meditations. Left to his own meditations. Where we are, gleamed his eyes, a vagabond on his, but one day, okay. Who plods along the road, left to his own meditation. Meditation in Hindi we call it कि आप मेडिटेट करते हैं, अपना ध्यान लगाते हैं, बट हियर उसको अपने हाल पर छोड़ दिया गया. दैट मीन्स बट वन डे दिस मैन हैड फॉलन इनटू ए लाइन ऑफ थॉट. बट वन डे दिस मैन हैड फॉलन इनटू ए लाइन ऑफ थॉट to his own meditation. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought. लेकिन एक दिन ये आदमी बैठा बैठा कुछ सोचने लगता है. Means he was fallen into a line of thought means he was in a deep thinking. He was sitting and thinking very deep, which really seemed to him entertaining. So for him it seemed very much entertaining. 1 minute. Let me have a very good angle of it. Yes, this one. Which seemed to him, but one day, okay, which seemed to him, natural thinking, thoughts, which really seemed to him entertaining. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. Thinking of his rat traps. When suddenly he was struck by the idea, means he was thinking about his rat trap, then suddenly an idea struck in his mind by the idea that the whole, and what was the idea? That the whole, yes, that the whole word about him, कि उसके आसपास, ये about का मतलब बारे में नहीं है, about का मतलब है आसपास. That the whole word about him, the whole world with its length and seas, means the land area, water area, its cities and villages, all cities and villages, was nothing but a big red trap. He means to say कि पूरी दुनिया, चाहे जमीन हो, आसमान हो, शहर हो, गांव हो, पूरी दुनिया एक रेड ट्रैप के अलावा और कुछ नहीं. The whole world is like a red trap, nothing else. It had never existed for any other purpose. It is used for the word. Means the word had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits. Set baits. It is underlined already. Set baits. Baits का मतलब होता है किसी को चारा डालना. जैसे सपोज करो देयर इज स्टोरी इन हिंदी कि शेर को मारने के लिए बकरी का चारा डालना पड़ता है, बकरी को बांधना पड़ता है. तो कहता है कि ये जो दुनिया है had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits, कि ये सिर्फ चारा डालने के लिए बनी है, अर्थात लोगों को फंसाने के लिए बनी है. Set baits to entangle someone, to just make nets for other. It had never existed for any other purpose than to set baits. ये दुनिया बनी इसलिए है कि दूसरों के लिए जाल बिछा सके. For people. It offered riches and joys. आपको फंसाती कैसे है दुनिया? It offered riches and joys. पास्ट में लिखा है offered. Means the word had offered you many riches. Riches means some kind of greediness of money, and joys, and some kind of greediness of enjoy. They are offering you many enjoyable things in which you can make some better entertainment. So this word is offering you money and enjoy. Shelter means the living place, and food and some kind of entertaining food the word is offering you, and that is the bait given by the set by the word. Heat and clothing. आपको रहने की जगह देते हैं, कपड़े देते हैं. दिस ऑल कौन देता है? ये दुनिया वाले लोग. तो आपका राइटर, आपका ऑथर आपसे क्या कहता है कि दिस इज नॉट द रियल हेल्प, एक्चुअली दिस इज बेट विच दे आर सेटिंग अगेंस्ट यू. एग्जैक्टली एज द रेड ट्रैप ऑफर्ड चीज एंड पॉर्क. और इसी तरह से आप जो रेड ट्रैप हम बनाते हैं, इसमें हम चीज के टुकड़े रखते हैं, और पॉर्क होता है मांस, सुअर वगैरह का, तो मांस के टुकड़े रखते हैं. एंड एज सुन एज एनीथिंग लेट हिमसेल्फ टू बी टेम्प्टेड टू टच द बेड. तो वी आर ऑफरिंग इन आवर रेड ट्रैप, इन आवर नेट, चीज एंड पॉर्क. एंड एज सुन एज एनीथिंग, एनीवन, as soon as means in Hindi, it is not about fastness. Soon is not about fastness. It is about as soon as, जैसे ही, जो ही. It is about sudden action. And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted, और जैसे ही कोई इंसान इससे tempted, temptation का मतलब होता है प्रलोभन होना, लालच होना. Tempted, to be greedy. जैसे कोई इंसान इसके लिए लालच में आता है, as soon as anyone let himself to be tempted to touch the bait. In English, if a person is going to be tempted about that bait, and in the temptation he touches the bait, it closed in on him, means the net, the red trap closed over him. And then everything came to an end, and this is the time when the word is over for him. Means the people are offering you baits, and you are very much greedy about the things like riches, joy, food and all this, and you are tempted to them. You just touch them, means you join them, and it means that you are entangled, you are in the danger. The word had of course never been very kind to him. हाँ, इन बातों से ये तो पता चलता है कि ये दुनिया जो है कभी भी उसके प्रति वफादार नहीं है. Means the word had of course never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think. अच्छा देखिए, the word had of course never been very kind to him means the word was never happy to him. The word was never good to him. The word was never doing very good to him. So it gave him unwanted joy. unlimited, unusual. It gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it. इसलिए इस दुनिया के बारे में बुरा सोचने में उसे बेहद आनंद आता है. In this way, इस तरह से सोचने में आनंद आता है. It became a cherished pastime of his, और इस प्रकार से उसके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा टाइम पास बन गया है. It became a cherished pastime of his. Cherished means enjoyable. अच्छा, what is the cherished pastime for the author? For the red trap seller? What is cherished pastime? What is the good pastime for them? Thinking ill about the world. Thinking ill means बुरा सोचना. During many dreary plodding means when you are walking and when you are dragging, किसी चीज को खींचना या लंगड़ा के चलना या पैर घसीट के चलना, इसको प्लॉडिंग कहते हैं. ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग मैनी ड्रेरी मीन्स डरावनी, खतरनाक. सो ड्यूरिंग मैनी ड्रेरी प्लॉडिंग्स टू थिंक ऑफ द पीपल he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. And now the word snare in Hindi is called फंदा. चंगुल में फंस गया, फंदे में फंस गया. स्नेयर मीन्स फंदा, और अगर इसका इंग्लिश का एक और मीनिंग चाहिए तो उसको हम बोलते हैं लूप. LOOP. ओके, नाउ कम यहां से. ड्यूरिंग मैनी ड्रेरी प्लॉडिंग्स मीन्स कई यात्राओं के दौरान, कई डरावनी और गलत यात्राओं के दौरान. टू थिंक ऑफ द पीपल ही न्यू, उन लोगों के बारे में वो सोचता था जिनको वो जानता था. हु हैड लेट देमसेल्फ बी कॉट इन द डेंजरस स्नेयर, कि जिन लोगों ने खुद अपने आप को इस खतरनाक फंदे में फंसने दिया. मीन्स व्हेन ही वॉज वॉकिंग इन द स्ट्रीट ही वॉज ऑल्सो थिंकिंग अबाउट द पीपल whom he himself had experienced, that they fall into the dangerous snare of greediness, and of others, और उन लोगों के बारे में भी सोचता था, दूसरे लोगों के बारे में, who were still circling around the bait, जो अभी भी इस डाले गए चारे में के आसपास फंसने को तैयार हैं. means the people who are there and ready to be greedy and ready to touch that bait. Means there are many people who want this greediness, who want to join this greediness, who want to be entangled. Okay, here we end for the day, and here we end for the day. Okay, bye bye for now. See you tomorrow, guys.